I built Reactra, a virtual chemistry lab, to support peers' hands-on engaged learning and as an educational tool for teachers. So let's start off with the features. On the left sidebar, you can search for chemicals by name or formula, and once you do, this will send it to the PubChem API where we use a get function to retrieve these results and store it by chemical. And let's also try out a mock lab. Of course, there are many more reactions that are covered, but let's try out a combustion one, the one that's shown on the screen. And once you add in your chemicals and then add in the desired amounts into a piece of equipment, you can see the results will show up on the right after it's sent to the Postgres SQL database, and these values are computed via equilibrium functions and such internally. You can also see that in the logs with the reaction being searched for and the results being found. And you can also explain your results via the GPT 4.1 API, the smartest non-reasoning model, which, because it's connected to the virtual lab interface, it will give you a generic result and it will give you one that suits your needs. So you can see at the top, it'll explain the combustion in general, and then it'll also tell you how many moles of O2 you need using the results that you have here. You can see it said that there's 0.7730 moles of CH4. And also, one of the labs that my ninth grade chem teacher wanted me to implement when I was implementing this in my school is a flame test lab. So let me show how that works. So once you add in your necessary equipment, and we can use the NaCl again, um, you can see that you can take a sample of the chemical using a flame loop and then add it onto your Bunsen burner. And the art will update from green to bright golden yellow because that's the color of NaCl. My next steps will be expanding the number of reactions covered and then migrating this to reactra.org because I originally had it as a application instead of a browser-based simulation. Thank you.